Welcome back to MindX. In this video, we'll quickly understand sensors in robotics, how robots sense the world around them. We'll look at what sensors are, why they are important, and the main types used in robots. What is a sensor? A sensor is a device that detects information from environment and converts it into an electrical signal that robot can understand. Think of sensors as the eyes, ears, and the skin of a robot. They allow robots to see objects, measure distance, feel touch, and understand movement. Without sensors, a robot would have no idea what's happening around it. Why sensors are important in robotics? So, sensors are essential because they make robots intelligent. Without sensors, robots would move blindly and crash into objects. With sensors, robots can detect obstacles, react to changes, make decisions, work safely and autonomously. Okay, first we are going to talk about the vision sensors. Basically, we call them cameras. Vision sensors allow robots to see. These include regular cameras, depth cameras, and stereo cameras. Robots use vision for tasks like object detection, face recognition, line following, and navigation. Vision sensors give robots to visual intelligence similar to human eyesight. Next, we are going to talk about the distance sensors. Distance sensors measure how far an object is from the robot. Common distance sensors include ultrasonic sensors, infrared sensors, and LiDAR. They are widely used for obstacle avoidance, wall following, and mapping environments. Distance sensors are critical for safe movement, especially in mobile robots. Okay, next we are going to talk about the force and touch sensors. Force and touch sensors allow robots to feel. They detect pressure, contact, or force applied to the robot. These sensors used in robotic grippers, collision detection, and human-robot interaction. They help robots to grip objects properly without damaging them. Okay, finally we are going to talk about the IMU and motion sensors. So, IMU sensors help robots to understand movement and orientation. An IMU usually contains an accelerometer and a gyroscope and sometimes a magnetometer. IMUs are used for balance, navigation, orientation, and control. They are especially important in drones, self-balancing robots, and mobile robots. So, in summary, sensors help robots see, feel, and move intelligently. They are foundation of autonomous and smart robotic system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more robotics videos on MindX.